We start with breaking news just coming into the newsroom about the coronavirus here in Connecticut. Governor Ned Lamont has declared a public health emergency. That allows the governor to order travel bans and quarantines. Plus, he can also ask for federal assistance. Now, this comes as a second person, a woman in her 60s, tested positive here in our state. We're told she's a healthcare worker at Bridgeport Hospital and lives in Bethlehem and contracted the virus while traveling from Las Vegas. She is believed to have had contact with a student in the Region 14 school district. That district will now be closed for the rest of the week.
In that area, we've had to close down the daycare facility there, and was recently announced they're going to be, pausing the school system as well throughout that region, Region 14, just as a precaution, just to give people confidence that we're doing everything we can to keep your family safe.
We are now told the student and their family are considered healthy, showing no signs of the illness, so that's some good news. But they are self-monitoring and staying at home for 14 days. A Stratford elementary school is also closing for the rest of the week. School officials learned a student was potentially exposed to the coronavirus. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right now with more details on the story from Stratford for us right now. Matt, what are you learning?
Well, Mark, Stratford's health director says they've been preparing for something like this, saying it wasn't a matter of if, but rather when. Now, they tell us that the student is still waiting for those test results, but the district is not taking any chances, deciding to close this school behind me so they can clean it thoroughly. Now, today, Stratford's mayor, the school superintendent, and the health director, they tell us they were alerted to this potential case of COVID-19 by the state's Department of Public Health. We're told a student at Wilcoxon Elementary School was potentially exposed to a confirmed case of the coronavirus. Now, that student was tested, is waiting for the results, and is under the care of healthcare providers. In the meantime, the school will be closed Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday so they can bring in a crew to clean the building extensively. We're told no other schools are impacted, but the district is looking into distance learning if it gets to that point.
It has not been confirmed yet, and we are participating. We are working hand in glove with our partners at the state health department to do what's called a contact tracing. That is what we do in public health, to be able to determine at what point a person gets ill, and then confirmation of the disease, and then being able to try and figure out how we address those that may have been exposed.
Now, the superintendent says a letter went home to parents today, and that right now this is the only school impacted, but stresses this is an ever-changing situation. We're live with the mobile newsroom in Stratford. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.